Hey, good morning, everyone. Welcome Day Trade Live, where we day trade live every day, 9:15 a.m. We trade the futures market. My name is George. We're on here with James. We got James on here.
Hey,
What up? What up? We had some news this morning. 8:30 a.m. Core PPI month over month. PPI month over month. A little bit above expected. I don't know what that annualizes to at the moment, but we certainly had some movement off of it. Need to remind ourselves 10 a.m. we got consumer sentiment. Hey Google, remind me at 9:58 a.m. that there's news. Set a little reminder there. So that was the news we've been waiting for all week. Core PPI. Next week, not much on Monday, but CPI on Tuesday and the federal funds rate on Wednesday. So plenty to look forward to next week. If we go ahead and take a quick look at the dollar. Dollar spiked up on that news. Sitting middle of the road right now between all of the indexes. But with that spike, I've got to assume that it's probably gaining some strength with that spike. So we'll keep an eye on that. Once again, wholesale prices rose 0.3%. There's no real annualized number that I've seen from that anywhere. With that news, though, Dow down 0.3%, S&P futures down 0.38, and the Nasdaq down 0.1. Take a look at the four indexes. We'll see the spike down here, kind of breaking some trend lines there. I was actually unaware of this gap up. Not sure why my chart there is giving a gap up per se. Oh, because it rolled over. That's interesting. Okay. So here on TradingView, four major indexes all spiked down, testing yesterday's lows, testing areas of yesterday, but has retraced about 50% of the move. So we're gonna keep an eye on that. Dollar, though, spiked back to this trend line, which we'll keep an eye on, and VIX popped up as well. So VIX and the dollar in alignment to the upside with these index moves to the downside. So I certainly like to see that when they are aligned. If we go ahead and take a look at the charts, let's start on the 16. No, I want to start on the 4 hour. So broke this trend line a few days ago, earlier in the week, and I've just been chopping around there between basically 3,900 and 4,000 for the last 3 days. 1, 2, 3 days here on the daily chart. Broke the trend line on the daily as well. Looking for another leg down, but I am very neutral today. Expecting likely another ranging day inside of this range with the big news coming next week. Looks like the market has absorbed the news this morning already, and is maybe looking ahead to next week. Same thing on the hourly. Broke trend line to the downside. With that move, tested the lows, holding right around 39.50. So we will see, and as usual, I'm going to wait for a very obvious trade setup. It'll likely take me a while to get into a trade this morning just because of the large spike, and I'm going to need a few more levels to get created before I can take a trade breaking some levels. So gonna stay patient for the moment. I am very, very neutral right now and very neutral on the day. So we will stay patient and wait. What do you got for us, James?
Oh, yeah, no. Good morning, everybody. I mean, really, same shoes. Um, we're definitely within yesterday's range. Looking at about the 39.40, 39.42.50 zone for short entry. Uh, gonna give it some time if it wants to try and break along. Looking around the 60, 62.50 level area. Um, but yeah, neutral at this moment. Not definitely not biased either way right now. I'm gonna let it work out the kinks and see what the market wants to do.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. All right, got about 5 minutes left till the open right now. It's been chopping around since the spike of the news, so again, we're going to.
You just want to add that the VIX and UVXY are going to be opening into that resistance. Well, now it's resistance, but yesterday it was active support level. Yesterday, be interesting to see if it gets up through that. That could be a turning point for sure.
All right, tightening up this range here.
Getting a little break over this trend line from previous pivot high.
Got about a minute 30 left till the open. Got the VWAP up at 64. Got nothing. Oh, I am not live. That makes a lot of sense there. right about 20 seconds. Trying to break that trend line there to the upside.
Got one just below 12. That's very interesting. Bollinger Band is mighty tight here. Tick opening below the extremes. Expected, I suppose.
And we are off. Trend line break held. Rejected right there off of 56. And the 21 EMA on my 3-minute. Back down.
That's why I wanted to wait over 6. That's dirty.
Yeah. I mean, that's kind of expected here at the open.
Straight through the bear flag.
I do kind of like
below 45. It might pick up some steam.
Yeah, I do like a break below 45. There we go, tapping 46, 45. VIX trying to work its way back up.
You know, what I do find very interesting is this light volume, man. Like, this is right after TPI. Got some very light volume. Considering.
Wow, rejected right there. All the way back up. Oh.
Yeah, that was a nice hold.
That is a nice hold.
Get through 60. See what we got going on. Apple's getting shit on right now.
Do like a long right here. Got the view up there at 62 though. It breaks through that 60 though.
Did get a rejection off that resistance for the VIX and UVXY. Might be the deciding factor for this opening drive.
SPY squeezing all the way back up to a pivot point there at the high. breaks through. I'm gonna wait for a VWAP hold. If it breaks above VWAP and turns that in support, we'll look at being long. Did get the 5-minute candle close, but that 5-minute did not break to a new high, nor did it even close to a high. See if we can get a test of the VWAP. VIX pushing down. Dollar in a very tight range. Hasn't gone anywhere. SPY broke the pivot point. NQ broke the pivot point.
We still have that cluster here on top of the VWAP. 250. Nice if we could turn that into support.
A pretty good liquidity up to 65. But this has to fight through. But we got the VIX coming down. This could go. This could go. I did like the long there above 57.
At the 50% retracement from the move down.
Yeah. Broke through the pivot point on the SPY, broke through the pivot point on the QQQ. The only index, well, ES and the Russell are the only two above the VWAP right now.
Ton of orders coming on here.
Trying to turn that VWAP into support there. We're gonna stay patient here, good people. We are staying patient.
Was really looking for a hold at 59 right there. Trying his damnedest though.
Yeah. Is that enough of a pullback there? Possibly. VIX is trying to push through the lows. Just not getting any follow through from the dollar. Well, we did get a nice retest of the pivot point on the SPY. Could be another nice long here.
Heading up.
I'm very hesitant today to do anything because nothing is overly obvious, so I'm going to chalk it up to that. My real trade was this false breakdown. Could have been long right here at 57. Would have hit T1 and then stopped out break even. But yep. We wait. We wait, we wait, we wait. We wait, we wait, we wait.
I entered for a break of 69 right there, looking for 74.50 on. Might get it in this one candle, that'd be kind of nuts.
Yeah, I just got a new 15 minutes, so can definitely get the push right here.
Took me out there, break even.
dollar's just been creating this wedge.
I think this still has another push in it though.
Since
I
the
want to see a
news.
Have a nasty uptrend here. We're about to come right back through it. Almost vertical. VWAP doing VWAP things.
Yeah, pulling back to the VWAP there. And Q breaking back down below the VWAP. Dow breaking back down below the VWAP. Russell trying to hold there above. Taking a look here at the dollar, tightening up here in this tight little range. Like to see a breakout in either direction, give us some sort of indication of which way we could take this market. So right now I'm still neutral. I don't really have a bias in either direction.
Yeah, the close of that last candle just took us out of that uptrend, or at least the trend line that I have drawn. So we're kind of in no man's land now.
Yeah. Yeah, waiting for something, waiting for something obvious.
Crashing through the VWAP here. Don't forget we got that news popping up in 10 minutes as well.
Yes, sir.
VIX and UVXY trying to get up through this resistance level from earlier. Might give us a leg down if we do get close above it. Lost VWAP, but bouncing off a point of control right here. That's interesting.
Where's your point of control?
Got it at 58 right now.
And your value area low?
51.75. Like we might be forming a bear flag here between the two levels.
SPY smoking back through its pivot point. I'm at a trend. I'm at a trend line right now on my 2000 tick chart.
Really not what I wanted to be right here.
Another fucking chop shit day. Dollar trying to push back up, break that wedge. See if it does. If it does, we're gonna want to be short. Back up to the top of the wedge there, but need a nice strong push through. VIX trying to retrace back up. Still everything's inside of its range though. SPY breaking back through that.
Happening.
Yep, SPY breaking back through that pivot point. QQQ trying to break through.
Trying to get a breakout over that resistance level here. Get a close at this level above. Protecting there.
That's essentially a new low on the tick charts for the day. For both the NQ and the ES there. Spending most of its time below the zero line. Five minutes left in this 30.
I like this hold we just had right here. I'm gonna throw an order out for 65 ahead of this news. I think with that hold gives me some conviction. I think we didn't break that low. Trying to break it again. Might not even get the order out.
Yeah.
I'll be right back. Gonna grab some water while we do whatever we're doing with this price action.
I do like a short here. Turning VWAP back into resistance. Breaking the trend line here. Dollar trying to break out. Yep. I'm gonna put an order out here for 52.50. Dollar trying to break out. Tick chart right now is pulling back. Let me see here. MACD still pointing up though. I'm gonna hold off on setting this order. Excuse me. We got about minute 30 till the news.
Alright, as expected, whole lot of nothing.
Whole lot of nothing. Minute 30 here till the news comes out. Preliminary University of Michigan consumer sentiment. $56.9 expected. It's a pretty high number expected there.
VIX is trying oh so hard to get over this low.
Alright.
45 seconds.
Excuse me, shit.
Bless you, brother.
Alright, about 15 seconds left.
Just a little bit of volatility. Oh, what? Did you just see that?
Yeah. Yes, I did.
This is a very odd. I don't think I've ever had that happen before.
They don't know what to do with this.
Close at 50, open at 60 something.
I do like that short there, some bitch. Oof.
Did you like the short?
At the moment, I'm more. I'm a neutral bear. It's made a few attempts to go up. Have a. Though it could have just been waiting for the news to finally break out to the upside, so.
That's what I'm wondering. I kind of feel like the latter. It's still rejecting 65 pretty hard, so it can definitely go either way. Are consolidating above 51. I feel like that's the key level that we need to break down. I am curious, with the news out of the way, if we don't get a couple of extra people pushing the button that makes a buy or a sale. I don't know that. News is out and absolutely nothing has changed with the chart.
Zero. Fucking zero.
Sitting with pretty damn near a triple top on the VIX and the UVXY at that resistance level, so I might get a little move up here.
Do we break through 70 here? And finally make it up.
Long time no see, man. Welcome back to Chop City.
Yeah. Dollar continues to do nothing.
I know if we breach 70 into 75 and come back down and reach that 65, that'll be a setup. Just gotta break the high of that news with some motion going. Not a fan of that lower high print. Definitely have to get over 70.
Just hanging out of this fucking VWAP.
Yeah, VWAP still doing VWAP things, man. About to take that thing off my chart because it's nothing but that going.
Oh, fuck. Like to see some consolidation somewhere instead of this 20-point range.
Starting to develop a little bull bias here, considering we're in this channel.
Yeah.
For the chat.
Shit. Oh, man.
Bless you again.
Thank you. Staying patient, people. Staying patient.
That's what I got. I don't know if you got anything similar. Not sure if we're gonna get over this 70 level, man. Feel like this is it. Either do or die. I think the ES is holding up the white flag right now.
Looking here like it wants to flush.
Indeed.
Dollar's breaking out finally. The biggest move the dollar's made all day, or at least all session.
What I do find interesting is ES is trying to come down. VIX is remaining untouched.
Yeah, not doing anything. The dollar pushed up though. Dollar broke out of its wedge, pushing up.
Okay.
Strongest move it's made all since the open. So that's kind of that push down there, but not getting any assistance from the VIX, like you said. None. No love from the VIX. The VIX is trying to continue to push down, actually. See if the dollar comes back inside of the wedge.
Yeah, I think this wedge is what
Pushing to the highs on the tick chart.
the price is waiting. Get through that 70. Might be a game changer.
Got 10 seconds left in this 5 minute. 5 minute closing. Shitty though.
NASDAQ trying to push bullish. ES relatively flat. VIX right on par with the ES and the flat zone. Oh, starting to get breakdown here. Interesting.
There's got to be a ton of stops there above 70. Well, if I'm waiting for something obvious, that ain't happening anytime soon. Fuck.
Get a few more wicks off this VWAP. I'm not sure. Might be a bull move.
The hourly chart
nice.
is trash. 30-minute chart is trash. 15-minute chart is uber trash. 5-minute chart. The 3-minute
Just need that VIX to break
chart's
down.
a channel, but dollar's breaking up. It's freaking.
That VIX starts coming down, I'll gladly hop in. Losing 60 here. Guess that's about to go out the window. almost have about half the volume we had yesterday. Thus far. VIX giving this resistance another shot. Got a hold off of value area low, coming back up through the VWAP. That's the point of control right here. And we're right back where we started.
Jesus. Oh, Jesus.
Got the Jeopardy soundtrack on repeat. Starting to get a break of this trend line to the downside. Starting to get a bull wick off of it.
Yowzers. Friday rollover bullshit. That's what I'm gonna fucking title this YouTube video. Friday rollover bullshit.
I was thinking something along the lines of the paint never dried.
Yep. Literally, I'm about to go change the fucking title of this YouTube video right now. Friday rollover BS. Save. Wonder how long it takes for it to update on the actual on the YouTube. Immediate. Nice. Interesting. I mean, the algos haven't even traded.
How many times is this dummy gonna buy off this trend line?
Literally 21 different algos. Not one has taken a trade. That's how fucking unnecessary this is right now.
VIX and UVXY finally through the resistance.
All right, dollar continuing to push up. Now that he's trying to break down. Wowzers. Rejected again. Holy hell.
Big surprise there. When I say dog water, you say price action. zero interest till we get through the 51 level. What do you know? Licking off a value area low. I don't know about all this, bro.
Five minutes left in this 30. Dollar's been grinding up. Dollar's been grinding up since 10 a.m. If the VIX starts to push up, this could come down, but nothing yet.
May as well put that timer on a 5.5 hour.
Yeah.
Clock, we'll just call it a day.
On a fucking 72 hour till fucking Monday. This is ridiculous. Ah, man, I hate this. As soon as I walk away,
I love it.
As soon as I walk away, it's gonna be. Is the move? Might as well walk away now. Let you give you 30 minutes of action.
Nah, brother. I mean, even if we get a move, I don't think I'm touching it. This is. I mean, 51 low side, 65 high side. Anything outside of that, I'm not even interested.
And even
Like
then, I'm still like your. Even then, I'm still with your like original 39.45. It even has to like go below that.
And from here into the close, it may not move above or below either one of them. It might just be completely sideways. You have a symmetrical wedge forming here, so it might be what they were trying to make. I mean, those wicks go right to the T of where we're at right now for a symmetrical wedge.
Again, I don't know what's going on here today.
Must be allergic to bullshit.
Yeah. Got plenty of that going on today. Friday rollover bullshit.
Trying to get a break through the upper side of this wedge. See what we get.
1 minute left in this 30.
Starting to get a break through the upside. Do we close on the upside?
Kind of breaking that little trend there. Got it here too. VIX breaking down, trying to break down.
Not the same, man. If this thing closes back inside of this wedge, I might. Okay, how about?
New 30. Let's see what we get. See if we break out. VIX gap down.
I'd love for it to just go straight to 70, like close at the highs. Get us out of this.
And a nice little push here on the new 30-minute. VIX trying to break down at the low of the day. Dollar trying to break, well, dollar's pulling back. Ooh, everything's taking off.
NQ, there we go. That's what I was looking for.
NQ broke the high there.
Very nice break of that wedge.
Very nice. Finally getting some momentum in this market. I had to wait till 10:30. Was a nice clean break there. Tick chart pushed to a new high there. Didn't really hit a new high on this push though.
I mean, if they really want to throw some salt on the wound, they'll take us up to 72. We come straight back down. And that's where I take my leave. Nice little double top tease to end the day. I'm over it. Need to close over 70 for it to even be meaningful. Sheesh. I think Green Day got the name of their song wrong. It should have been December.
Surprise, surprise, surprise. We're right back into the range.
Dirty rejection on that 5-minute. If the
market makers want to collect
if
their
the 5-minute
gains,
yeah,
man.
if the 5-minute had closed above 70, I would have taken this long. But we're nowhere near 70 again. Nowhere near 70. New 5-minute. Huge rejection candle. On that, I am going to call it a morning for myself, sir.
You and me both.
All right, brother.
There is no momentum. There is nothing actionable with this price action. Unless you're a turtle trader and
yeah,
you like playing those lines. But that's not me, so.
No, sir. All right, man. Well,
good job.
I think you had a break even, right? That was it?
Yeah, just one break even.
One break even. No trades from this guy, which I am quite happy with. Staying patient. Nothing obvious. This was dog water. The algos haven't even taken a trade yet, so this shit hasn't gone anywhere. Rollover Friday rollover bullshit. I'm gonna call it a morning. Have a good weekend, everybody. Have a good weekend, James. Catch you guys here Monday, 9:15 a.m. Yep, 9:15 a.m. Monday. We will catch you here, 2:45 a.m. for Forex. And yep, until next week. Later, guys. Hey everyone, thanks for watching. As always, please like and subscribe, and remember, we go live every day at 2:45 a.m. Eastern to trade the Forex market. Then we go live again at 9:15 a.m. to trade futures. We will see you then.